Wadeville is a well-established medium to heavy industrial suburb in the East Rand of Johannesburg. It is part of the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality. A number of prominent companies have operations in this area, such as Consol Glass, Iveco South Africa, and the shelving company Acro, situated on Dekima Road. There is no doubt, given the ease of access to the freeway system via the prominent arterial routes, that this is a desirable place to establish a factory and office base for any major company. The area is also in close proximity to other well-established industrial areas. The property is identified as ERF 550 of Wadeville Extension 9. The land area is just under 40,000 square meters, and the lettable area is approximately 15,700 square meters. Municipal zoning is industrial commercial. This is a very well designed and constructed property comprising an upmarket office component, as well as a factory and manufacturing facilities with sophisticated infrastructure. The property is secured by a combination of palisade fencing and face brick walling on the perimeter and offers dual access on the Lantern Street frontage. The property has a permanent security guardhouse with manual gate access control. The driveway and parking facilities are all brick paved. The property is serviced by approximately 50 shade net parking bays, as well as approximately 25 demarcated open bays. There is provision on the property for the parking of large delivery vehicles. There are 3 separate office blocks on the property, one recently constructed and one which was the original office structure which had direct factory access. The third single-floor structure is currently used as a storage area. This new office structure, completed in 2010, is a double-story building with a level concrete roof of 1,769 square meters. On entering, one is greeted with a large double-volume reception area with built-in reception desk and granite tops. The ground floor space contains both private and open-plan office facilities. The building is also wired with technical mains and LAN network cabling. The office component offers the usual ablution facilities, including provision for disabled persons and kitchen. 2 walk-in safes provide secure storage for important documents. Access to the upper floor is via a stairway. The first floor has a central open-plan office area, as well as a boardroom, a refreshment area, and several private glass-walled executive offices. The usual ablution facilities and staff kitchen are present. The quality of the office finishes is of a very high standard. This building has a balcony which overlooks the factory yard. The original office block is also double-story and comprises a reception area of 614 square meters. Several private offices, a boardroom, strong room, and the usual staff amenities. This building has direct factory access. There is a third single-story office structure of 237 square meters. Both the original and the single-story offices are currently used as storage space. The combined floor area of these 3 office buildings is approximately 2,600 square meters. This factory is well designed to take advantage of all natural light. It is a double volume structure with a pitched sawtooth roof. The factory is linear in design with a gantry crane system in place for moving heavy items. The factory currently manufactures specialist heavy vehicle transport components. 2 10-ton as well as 3 5-ton gantry cranes installed in the factory are an additional bonus for dealing with moving large, bulky items within the factory confines. An internal factory storage component runs alongside the main factory floor and is constructed of brick and mortar. On the other side of the factory there are 2 large vehicle pits which are used for inspection and assembly of the necessary stock components. Installed in the factory are also 2 spray booths. The facility has an external adjacent compressor room. The factory also has an installed gas system. Numerous standard roller shutter and metal gates allow easy access from 3 sides of the factory, maximizing the versatile nature of the manufacturing space. As would be expected, there is a considerable amount of large vehicle parking at each end of the main factory structure. There is also a building housing a staff canteen and the usual factory-type ablutions and change room facilities for the factory workers. This structure also offers a training facility and helicopter hangar or garage. The electrical power supply to the property is 2,000 amps. A standby generator system services the property should there be any unforeseen power outages. The structures on this property are well designed and endorse a well thought out site plan for maximum application. The quality of construction finish is also of a very high standard. The office accommodations are exceptionally comfortable and generous in proportion and make an ideal workplace for executive and operational staff. The property is situated in an ideal position, established in an industrial area with great connections to the other surrounding industrial areas as well as the local freeway system. Further information can be obtained from the downloadable investor pack on this website. The refundable registration fee for participation in this tender sale is 1 million rands. This property will be going on tender on the 24th of February at Summer Place, Hyde Park, Sandton.